Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something that's about to blow your gaming minds. The Acer Predator Helios 16 gaming notebook. This beast is packed with some serious firepower. So let's dive into the specs and see what makes it stand out. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this laptop from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First things first, powering this monster is the 13th gen Intel Core i9 processor with a whopping 24 cores, capable of reaching speeds up to 5.40 GHz. Yeah, you heard that right, 24 cores. This thing is a gaming powerhouse. And that's not all. With 32 GB of RAM, multitasking is a breeze. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or doing some heavy-duty multitasking, the Helios 16 can handle it all. Now let's talk storage. You've got the option for either a 1 TB or a massive 2 TB SSD. Say goodbye to loading screens and hello to lightning-fast load times. Your games, your way? And what's a gaming laptop without killer graphics? The Acer Predator Helios 16 features the mind-blowing 12 GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080. Your graphics-intensive games will look better than ever, and you'll be dominating the virtual battlefield in style. But let's not forget about the visual feast that is the 16-inch WQXGA display with a staggering 240 Hz refresh rate. Smooth, crisp visuals that make every frame count. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, this display has you covered. Now let's talk about the real-world gaming experience. We've got some gameplay footage lined up to show you just what the Acer Predator Helios 16 is capable of. From breathtaking graphics to seamless gameplay, this laptop is a gamer's dream come true. The Helios 16 is not just a notebook, it's a portable gaming command center. And that's it, the Acer Predator Helios 16 gaming notebook. If you're looking to elevate your gaming experience to new heights, this is definitely a contender. What are your thoughts on this gaming beast? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming tech reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!